Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix fast charging is not working on your INFINIX Hot 60i. So actually the most important thing is that you have to ensure that you are using the original cable and brick. If you are not, this is why it doesn't work actually. So this is the first thing. The second thing is that you have to open settings, scroll down and open the battery. Where is the battery? Here, battery and power saving. And now once you are here, you have to go straight to the battery health and charging. As you can see, charging safety protection. As you can see, comprehensive introduction to charging competition and charging batteries protection. Here, tap learn more. And now, here as you can see, charging protection covers the following aspects: charging port, charging board, and temperature. This is why I open that. You have to remember that if you do have the high temperature of your device, the fast charging won't work, it just won't be turned on. So ensure that you are charging your device in a cool environment. And actually that's it. If it still doesn't work, you have to contact device support because your device may be just broken and it can't just recognize the charger. Goodbye.